French name pronunciation. Chateau name in Bordeaux-Pessac-Léognan appellation. Wine name. Haut-Bailly. Haut meaning high. Silent H, silent T, just O. Or in English you could say it as O, just the letter O. Bailly, Bailly. Haut-Bailly. In English, Haut-Bailly. French name pronunciation. Chateau name in Bordeaux-Pessac-Léognan appellation. Wine name. Haut-Bailly. Haut meaning high. Silent H, silent T, just O. Or in English you could say it as O, just the letter O. Bailly, Bailly. Haut-Bailly. In English, Haut-Bailly. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.